Traders, it's Anthony. Okay, Bitcoin. Here's the thing. If you watched my previous video, the one I did on Algorand, have a look in my videos and you'll see Algorand 15/15, 15 out of 15 win rate. Check out that video. And then we come into this chart here, Bitcoin, and let me show you something. 30-minute chart. This is what I was talking about in my last video. So I'm just going to bump up the channel so we can see the channel here. Let's grab my mouse and scroll down. All right, have a look at see that? Okay, this is our channel. Just do that so we can see it clearly. And if you watched my video on Algorand, you would have noted that the opportunity comes, okay, when we break out of this channel. Any break out of this channel is an opportunity, or this break above the cloud, I should say. All right, so if we go out of here and let's just come back on the 30-minute here and mark this. This is our point of interest back here. See where it marked it on a 3-minute chart? So our strategy is, if we've got a breakout of the cloud on a 30 and the higher time frame, see down the bottom, let me just pull up a 2-chart layout. I'll have a look at this, and then we're going to get into a bit of technical analysis, do a bit of a top down, and I'll give you my take on Bitcoin. But here's the 30-minute under, and on the 3-minute, this is our point of interest here. All right, so any time after this, okay, which is here, this line here, anytime after that, we take a green breakout signal on the 3-minute chart, and there is our entry right here. Breakout, pull back into the mean, and that's our entry point right there. All right, now if we have a look at that on the 30, I'll explain what this green triangle is giving us. It's giving us the opportunity to get involved when the market starts to rotate. So what we get is a pullback. All right, so it trades up, we get the retrace, and then the market starts to rotate. And here's the rotation. We don't take this first break, we take the second one up here, pull back into the mean. And that's our trade from there on. And then that gives us an opportunity. And as I've said in my videos, stop loss on the 30-minute, we can trail midway through the cloud if you like, and look where you'd be now. All right, if you'd taken this trade right here, oops, yeah, this guy. All right, so I mean, this is why we have this strategy. Anyway, so what I'll do is I'll go out of here and we'll just have a quick look, and I'll give you my take. All right, now look, we've got well, I have a set of rules as far as my trading goes, and it's generally going to be something in the way of, I need higher time frame confluence. So the majority green, okay, we can see that on our higher time frame indicator down the bottom, down here, multi-time frame, as you can see, weekly, daily, 4, 2, and 1 hour. And then we wait for a breakout of the cloud, as we had here on the 30, and then we look for the entry on the 3-minute, and we take the green breakout. Now, these are not buy and sell signals, they're breakout signals. Now, if you want it to be adventurous, well, no, I won't even go there. I was just going to say, we do have these other alerts as well. but I'll leave that for another video. So what we'll do is go out of here. Let me just clear everything. And I want to go out now to this layout, and we'll take a look from the 30-minute, the daily, what am I talking about? Daily point of view. All right, so I mean, a trade opportunity from here for me would be short, if anything. That would be a counter trend. All right, so given all the higher time frames here are showing bullish, as you can see down the bottom left, this is going to be counter trend if I short that. All right, so there's more risk involved. Generally, we're looking for trend continuation with the breakout on the 30-minute. All right. Now, I guess for me to get involved short, I'd want to see well, I mean, look, there's a couple of ways to approach this, and it's risky, but if you want to go there, just wait for the break to the downside. If we get it, retest and fail under here, and then there's an entry. All right, that's one way to approach it, counter trend. Or you could, I tend to trade these with a little bit of caution, but these dots can be okay, better on the higher time frame, but you can, have a look at these on the lower time frame and you might be surprised actually. Oh, well, that one was okay. We've got another red dot. I tend to take the dots when the market is trading sideways, but I mean, look at that green dot trade north there. Nice one. All right. So 3-minute chart. Okay. From the daily down, and at the moment, this is well and truly overextended, guys. All right. Our currency strength indicator are all trading up, showing signs of being overextended here. Okay, we can see that from our 4-hour chart perspective. Very overextended. I don't want to buy here. I didn't really want to buy here, but then, if you'd caught the 30-minute breakout, then yeah, definitely that would have been an opportunity. So here's the thing with this. This is fairly closely correlated to the S&P 500 or the stock markets. Risk on, risk off. Okay, so this is a risk asset. By the way, this is my version of volume profile. Now look what we're trading into at the moment. Okay, on the, let me just grab a pencil. See this shaded area here, this light gray? What it does, it looks back and it picks up these consolidation zones, all right? And it will pull them forward and it will give us these shaded areas. So the bigger the shaded area, you can see here, for example, there's your level. All right, these are levels of support and resistance. So currently we're trading into strong resistance. We're up at the top of our red dots. We're up at the upper level of this trend channel thing here. We've got higher, the lower, and a mid-range. Actually, let me just have a look. Where's our mid? Just want to check something. Yeah, okay. All right, the mid line runs through here. This is our median. All right, so we've had a break above the median, but do we get a pull back down into these levels? So I'm always cautious, and I mean, at the moment, this is where retail is going to be FOMOing in. All right, trading right into a big resistance level here. So yeah, that's not where I would be looking to go long. So if anything, I'm looking for a short and counter trend trade potentially, and then a pickup if this retraces back down into a fib retrace. So if I grab a fib. Let's just pull that out. Yeah, the Fibonacci. Okay, I mean, there's this low here. We could pull it from here to here. Okay, so that's one idea, that this will rotate, trade back down into these levels. I'd be very interested in a buy opportunity around here. So again, you know, like if it trades down, we wait for the 30-minute to give us the breakout of the cloud and the rotation, right? And then we can possibly jump on board long, but be really careful, guys, because I mean, you know, we get these moves, but look what happens here. Nice, strong, bullish move, and then the pullbacks are pretty brutal. There's a move, pullback right down to the point of origin. So the point of origin is actually here. All right, so we've had that. You know, so what happens here? Do we get a pullback right down into here? Well, that's a weekly level right there. There's an orange line. That could be a thing. Well, just be careful. All right, so I mean that's counter trend, and I mean have a look what we're trading into. Well, you can see this light shaded zone, but here it is here. Okay, this is a pretty big level, and we've had a lot of momentum to the upside, so we have a rather thin leg here that it makes sense that we fill. All right, now that's where I'm at with Bitcoin at the moment. There's no trade opportunity. We missed that unless you picked that up on the 30-minute and you traded from back down here. All right, so guys, look, I'm more interested in seeing this pullback than anything else at the moment, and that's pretty much it, really. Bitcoin. Yeah, click the links below, guys. Jump on board and gain access. There's a 7-day free trial. My indicators. I have tutorials. I have a Telegram group, and you know, if you decide to stay on board and you want to be part of the community, it's only $19.95 a month with a 7-day trial. So I'm making it affordable because I want to share this with other people. You know, I want something back, but I don't want to charge a lot. Okay, so that's about it, guys. Take care. See you in the next one.